Minus 32 degrees Celsius, that is too cold for any human being, especially for me. It's weather for seals and polar bears. But anyway, I just want to take the first couple of minutes to thank every single one of you that have subscribed to my channel and you watch the videos, you comment. I just really appreciate it. Without you guys, it wouldn't be possible. It's fun, and if you're not having fun, why do it, right? So I'm at the milestone that I'm trying to reach is 1,000 subscribers. Last check was 930 something. So slowly getting there. You win some, you lose some. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Now let's get right to the reason for this video. I'm going to do a shout out for a couple channels. They sent me their stickers and I really appreciate them doing so. The first one is DNR Small Engine Repair. It's a small channel. Dave don't work on small engines as much as he would like, I'm sure, because of work and life, like most of you. Life gets in the way too, right? The second one is Cajun the Kind Hunter. Go check him out. He's a very knowledgeable person on, you guessed it, coins. And I'm assuming it's American coins. So go check him out if you got any questions on coins. He's very knowledgeable. Thank every single one of you for subscribing and watching the videos and supporting the channel. That's all I can do is say thank you.